I wanted to see if I could put together something pretty with flowers just from the Dollar Tree. So I bought these. I know you've seen them. They're beautiful. And I think these are their prettiest flowers. These, most realistic. And some of these, they're kind of mixed. I don't know what they're called. So, and these, I think these look pretty good. So I also thought I would wrap, kind of like a wedding bouquet or bridesmaid's bouquet. So I'm going to use this string, and thought I would start with this was like in one piece, like a bush. I cut a few pieces off of it, and like a fan. I thought it'd be pretty to shape like a fan. And the next thing I want to do is put my main flower in, pink. I'll put one like in the middle, on the side. So now I've got that far. Just space them out. And then I would bring in some more of these, like that I have in the back. And then I have a few of these just purple. I suppose they're supposed to look like lavender. And I thought, okay, this is so far. And then one of these pink ones in the middle. I think it looks more like you just picked it, but yet you can see all the flowers. And then these, I'll just space, maybe one in the back. There's a little green one. I'll put this on each side, and then this one in the middle. It's basically, you're just spacing them out. Okay, so now I have them all together. I like the way it all looks. Gathering up in my hand, and then any foliage on the bottom, just pull off or cut off with the scissors or wire cutters. Now I have a piece of wire, and I'm going to just, I also cut everything pretty even. You don't want to cut it up as short as your shortest, but maybe your longer ones. Just kind of even them out. And then I'm just going to wrap it around like this. Just to hold them together. And it looks like I'm going to have to use a little more wire. I usually use green wire. I just happen to have this handy. Okay. I think my dikes are getting dull. Here you go, so you can see it. Dun, da, 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 or, da, 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 or just lying on a beautiful table. Okay. Get this even. I'm going to find the ends and start. I'm going to go up a little way. A monster just came in. Just forgive that noise. So it really is a monster. You can't be in here. You don't have a shirt on.